Okay, I'm gonna walk down this street on this kind of windy day. I'll explain why that's so windy in a minute as well. And we're gonna be walking, kind of checking out these apartments, see if there's storm guards. We're gonna be walking up that way. All those living trees up there. I'll tell you all about it in a minute. Let's go check out the road. Okay, I'm the content creator for this channel. If you like what I'm doing, just subscribe and hit the like button. Okay, we have some nice wind here, so I'm going to yell into the camera, and we're going to be walking down that way towards, I'll tell you what I'm going to do in a second. We're going to run across here real quick. And basically what's happening is kind of typhoon coming in. Actually, the typhoon is here. It's category 3 right now. It'll probably be moved to category 8 pretty soon, so it's still pretty light at the moment, but they're expecting some massive typhoon coming in, so people are kind of preparing, getting ready for that. So we're gonna do anyways is we're just gonna walk up here, tell you about the typhoon, and we just had a typhoon a few days ago as well. We're gonna have another one. I'm gonna walk up to a hill, so I'm gonna take the camera with me. And yeah, this typhoon is pretty massive. It's right now, it's still a tropical storm, so it was this designated, oh, what's this? It's this blue, white, blue, and oh, this line, that was already blown off the thing, I guess. Made it look like this was blocked. We're gonna go up and, oh dang, I didn't see that. That might be from the other typhoon. We had a typhoon a few days ago, and all that soya must have fell down there. So that looks all kind of new. Yeah, I'm expecting to be doing a lot of filming in the next couple of days. Possibly, we'll see what happens. We had a pretty massive typhoon, Hato, and it was a direct hit. It was massive, and so many trees were destroyed. Unbelievable. And the city was just flooded, and I hope it doesn't get anywhere near that way, and it shouldn't, because it's not anywhere near, it's not a direct hit like that was. That was a direct hit. But people are bracing for it, and it does look like a pretty big storm. But luckily, we're not at the brunt of it. So the eye is not coming for us, but it could change. So we'll see. So yeah, I'm gonna try to document and film that. Kind of show you a little bit of the winds around here. And what I'm gonna do right now is we're gonna walk along here. There's not much winds here, that's good. This rock, later this will probably be just a big funnel of wind. There's Galaxy Casino up that way. These are all bamboo. So if you saw my other video, I walked here at nighttime once. I guess for some reason, that's kind of a nice hangout place, I guess. And we don't really have much else to film at the moment. But in the moment, we're gonna go up to the top of this mountain. And then I'm gonna, what I'm gonna be doing shortly is I'm going to create some opening scenes and just introduce the storm. And then just make those as a little introduction, and I'm going to try to show some footage of what's going on, of other people's camera work, because there's a lot of stuff that I might see in Macau that another person might not see. So I'm going to try to put that up on my channel over the next, through the brunt of it as things develop. And I don't know, we'll see. Maybe the storm doesn't really develop into anything, but I don't know. The energy in the air is not a good energy today. And just for some comparison, we had another storm a few days ago, and it was category 8, and I was walking around, everything seemed kind of fine. There was flooding. I think some people passed away. I think I heard 8 people, but I might have that wrong. So it wasn't, you know, but it was one of those typhoons that kind of made you wonder why it was categorized as an 8, because it didn't really seem to be an 8. But this one's going to be a lot bigger, and a lot of people are talking a lot about this one. So the energy is definitely there. Okay, so we're going to be walking a little bit further, and then if you see this thing right here, that's the Cotai Strip. And we're going to be taking this one directly up to the top of this hill. And you can also do hiking too, so there's hiking that goes up to that top. We're going to go up there if you can see it. And I'm going to try to do some footage, and we'll just see what we can do. A little post-typhoon footage. So we'll see how that comes out. Yeah, that right over there is like Cotai Strip. So there's Londoner Casino right there, Venetian. Over there's Galaxy. So, and there's kind of an ecological water zone right here with beautiful Taipa village right next to it, which is kind of a quaint little spot with a lot of restaurants and some bars and things like that. Okay, let's see if this is even open. So first we're going to take this one up to that spot. These are all the tourist spots as well. Okay, so I think ours is open now. Yep. We have this pretty nice incline. Oh, that's already pushed for me. That's interesting. So it must just sit at the first floor and then you push it and this comes down and gets you, and then the button is always pushed already, I guess. Okay, so we're going to be taking this incline right there. Before we go up. See if there's a Typhoon notice. This still is category 3, so it should be open right now. But once it hits category 8, it'll be closed. Let's see if they have any notification. Open? Might already be closed. It's already closed. Out of service. Okay, well. We're gonna go up there and then we're gonna film up there and look around. I can still go up there and take some hiking trails, but actually the air is really still right here. But that's what I was thinking of doing. So I guess instead what we'll do is we'll just call this the end of the video, and then basically we'll just kind of show you around here. It's a little bit disappointing. Thought I could get up there. Actually you can feel the wind is kind of stopped now. It was pretty windy over there, but now there's hardly any wind here. But this will all change later today. Tomorrow is when it really comes in, but I think tonight they're going to move it to 8. There's some people that walked up to the top right there. You can see them coming through. You can hike up through the steps as well. Anyways, that was our little street, and we'll see what happens with this later. I'm kind of interested to kind of film this because some of these trees might go down. I saw some pretty bad typhoons in Macau, so I've seen all kinds of crazy stuff, so I don't know what to expect with this one. We just don't know yet, right? Yeah, I was hoping to get up to that vantage point, but without failing to do that. Nice hiking trail up there, by the way. You can overlook the airport. You can see Morpheus Casino right there. And that's the Cotai Strip right there. There's some people just kind of casually walking. It feels really calm over here. It's nice. I was expecting that energy was pretty high. Now it's kind of nice and relaxed. So maybe that'll be what will happen with the Typhoon as well. The energy is really high at the beginning, and then when it actually hits, it'll be not so bad. But I don't know. Hong Kong's going to call it category 8. It's October 12 right now, so okay. Well, anyways, that was our street, and I guess we'll end our filming for this one right here. So, and we'll kind of brace for the Typhoon, and I'll try to get some good footage later. We'll see how that all goes. All right. This is actually, so that's what we were going to try to get up to if we could have. Still could. And this is this other part down here where the ecological zone is and the casinos. And they have this beautiful little area down there as well. Okay, let's end it right there. Chiquinha, Chiquinha.